Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial where we will guide you on how to download Instagram Reels without Watermark. Here is a step-by-step guide. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Then tap on Reels icon at the bottom. And here, find the video that you want to download, tap on the share icon from here. Copy the link of the video. Once you copy the link, go back to your screen. You need to download the GlipShare app from Play Store or Apple App Store. You can find this easily. Now open the GlipShare app and paste the link you copied and tap on download. Your video will download without watermark and with music. I hope this step-by-step process will help you to download the Instagram Reels. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload. See you in the next one.